Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is all about Surah Al-Ma'un, ayahs are 7, and inshallah Azza wa Jal will learn how to read this surah with Tajweed. Let's read after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أرأيت الذي Yes, good. أرأيت الذي That is soft. يكذب يكذب good بالدين. Make sure you're pressing the letter ba because that is a qalqala letter and here it is mushaddad, so we have to read with the force. فذلك الذي يدع We need to make sure we are having a slight pause on the letter ain and making an ain sound from the middle part of the throat. Yatim يدع اليتيم ولا يحض All is a heavy letter على طعام المسكين فويل لل This is lam and the next letter is again lam. Okay, so there are three lams together. فويل للمصلين. Sol is heavy, we have to read with the heavy sound as well as the whistle sound here. الذين هم We have to hide the noon and take the sound into our nose because this is a ikhfa letter here after the noon sakin, which is sod. So صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون ويمنعون good ماعون. Okay, so this is Surah Al-Ma'un and ayahs are only 7. Practice the surah. See you inshallah Azza wa Jal in the next video.